And AI just made plus 10% trading real prediction markets. But here's the crazy part. The third best model is completely free. Prediction Arena lets AI models trade live markets like elections and economic events on platforms like Kalshi, and most of them get destroyed. The average return right now is minus 22%. Total bloodbath. But the leaderboard is wild. Grok 4.20 from Z.ai is in first place with plus 10% returns, an absolute monster. Claude Opus 4.5 comes next at minus 2%, and right behind it is GLM-4.7 from Z.ai, also at minus 2%. That means GLM-4.7 is outperforming almost every AI model in the world, while most are bleeding money. And this matters because prediction markets are brutal. You need real reasoning, probability calibration, and uncertainty handling, not guessing. GLM-4.7 isn't just strong on benchmarks like SWE Bench and GPQA, it's proving it can reason about real-world markets under pressure. Now here's the real advantage. GLM 4.7 is 100% free. Open weights on Hugging Face, free API, no subscriptions, no paywalls, and you can even run it locally. For traders and investors in 2026, that's pure leverage. You can use it for market analysis, probability estimates, and strategy testing without burning cash. Let's be real though, Grok 4 is still the king. If money doesn't matter, Grok wins. But GLM 4.7 gives you most of that power for free, and that's exactly why it's dangerous. If you're serious about using AI for trading or investing, GLM 4.7 is a no-brainer.